Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the turkey dance. This fun, energetic dance mimics a turkey's movements, perfect for any festive occasion. We'll break it down into 4 easy steps, starting with your basic stance. Stand tall with your feet about shoulder-width apart and a slight bend in your knees. Let your arms hang comfortably at your sides, ready to move. Next, let's get those wings flapping. Tuck your hands into your armpits, imagining they are your turkey wings. Now, gently move your elbows up and down, flapping them 4 times. You can add a slight bounce with your knees to make the movement more fluid and turkey-like. This step truly brings the turkey character to life. Now, let's add the iconic turkey strut and tail feathers. Take small, quick steps forward, lifting your knees slightly as you go. For your tail, place your hands behind your back and gently wiggle your hips from side to side. This creates the illusion of a proud turkey showing off its beautiful tail feathers. Combine these movements for a lively strut. Finally, let's add the gobble and put all the moves together. Move your head forward and back, mimicking a turkey's head bob. You can even add a fun gobble sound. Now, combine your wing flaps, the strut and tail wiggles into one continuous, joyful dance. Practice these steps to develop your own unique turkey dance rhythm and have a fantastic time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.